Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna walk you through how to delete someone on Snapchat. Watch this video until the end to know how you can also. Now before I move on, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos. To delete someone or to remove someone on Snapchat, all you need to do is tap and hold on the names on the chat section and then tap on manage friendship. Now after you do that, a few settings will open up: report, block and remove friend. If you are annoyed and if you want to completely block them, you can also do that by tapping on the block option, but for now if you want to only remove and delete them, you can tap on remove friend and tap on remove. Now as soon as you do that, you can see they have been removed and deleted from your friend section on Snapchat. If you guys enjoyed and found this video helpful, then subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.